What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming back at you with another video. Hey man, I got a great video for you today. Another firetail video for my 2024 DCT Gold Wing. This is going to help you get Apple CarPlay on your 2024 DCT. You know they not like the 2025 where you got the built-in car Apple Play. Y'all, I'm gonna show you the two devices that you need to get your Apple CarPlay on your bike, and we're gonna get into it right after this.
Yeah, from the heart of Texas where the wide roads run, Kelly B gliding, rides into the sun on a road glide Kong, 140 strong, tearing up the blacktop, humming like a song. He's got that grace, he's got that style, burning rubber, racking miles, with the thunder in his engine and a spark in his eye. He's a legend on wheels, no need to try. Kelly B gliding, wind in his face, chasing the horizon, leaving no trace. Ain't got too many, a brother or a guide, making friends wherever he rides, with bogey biker rolling side by side through the three twisted sisters. What a ride!
All right, y'all, we're gonna help you get Apple CarPlay onto your 2024 DCT Gold Wing. And you're gonna need these parts here. Mayhawk right here. And I bought this myself. This comes straight off of Amazon. And you're gonna need these USB-Cs right here, female adapters here. And that's gonna help you where when you riding your bike, you don't have to have a headset connected to this right here so you can get car Apple Play. So yeah, we're gonna get it set up, and all you gotta do is pull this app. You know you got your connector in here. So let's take a look at this, y'all. I haven't opened this at all, but let's take it, let's get it open. Yeah, it's still in the plastic. Make sure I don't drop it, because it's a small device, y'all. Very little device. Look at that. Mayhawk. Very little. And what you're gonna do, and one reason that you need this, because you need to connect this up to the bike first. And then this say if you got an iPhone 15 and different stuff like that. So iPhone 16, they changed the different cables. So you're gonna need this, a male into a female. So you're gonna need this right here. And what this one is gonna go in first, right here. So you're gonna stick this one in first. And then this one is gonna go in next. And that's all you need. And then after that, like your phone cable is gonna go into here, but we gotta see if this is gonna automatically sync up to the bike. So let's check out this and see if it sync up to the bike. We're gonna go, let's go to audio settings. I think that's where it is. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're gonna go to the audio settings here, and we're gonna go to Bluetooth setup. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna set it up on the passenger. So we're gonna do that. Come down to inquire. We're gonna see if it finds that. Yeah, it found it right here. See, it say Mayhawk right there. We're gonna come down. We're gonna stroll down to Mayhawk right there. We're gonna click on it. It say device successfully paired. So we're gonna hit OK. And you see where it said that one headset right here? So we only got one headset hooked up to here right now. So now we're gonna go back and go to the home screen. Okay, y'all, we see that we got car Apple Play. Look at that. You don't have touch screen, but you do have car Apple Play if you need it for your GPS, your search. Go here, check out that. Car Apple Play on your 2024 DCT Gold Wing. So yeah, that's gonna help me on my trips, because I love using my screen when I'm riding. I don't have my phone on my bars or anything like that. So all you gotta do, y'all, if you trying to get this set up right here, go to Mayhawk. Find this on Amazon and get these USB-C's connectors right here. And you can get this set up for yourself, man. And I think you'll like it. Okay, y'all, we're gonna fire the bike up. We're gonna see how fast the car Apple Plate hook up. I already got my phone, everything connected in here. And we're just gonna fire the bike up. And we're gonna see how fast the car Apple Plate kicks in here. So let's see how that's gonna work out. This is being recorded in real time as well. You see, we got the headset with the one in it. Let's see how fast it connects. Oh, that connects really fast, y'all. Yeah, that's really nice, y'all. Y'all see how fast that connected? And that is with real time right there. I recorded that in real time, and that took just a couple of seconds to pop up on the screen. So yeah, man, cause I didn't want to have my helmet set up to this, so I wanted to find something different to get that operated. So hey, I'm happy about it. It looks good on the bike. It's just, one thing I wish that Honda would do is make this touch screen. That would be A+, but I know they big thing on safety, so they real big on safety, so yeah, man. But that is your car Apple Plate on your 2024 DCT Goldwing. You know, the 25s come with it automatically. As soon as you Bluetooth your phone to it, and it comes up. But you see the steps that you had to go to get this. And like I say, I bought this with my own money. This wasn't sponsored by anybody. I wanted to try it out to see if it works. I heard about it, and hey, you see for yourself that it works, man. Hey, I am happy. So y'all, we're gonna end the video right here. So go get this right here off of Amazon. Like I say, I'll leave a couple of links down in the description, and you go check it out and get this for your bike, so you can use your GPS on your phone, on your bike, and you won't have to use your phone. And one good thing about this is just a simple connect up from your phone to the Mayhawk to your female here. So yeah, it's just a very simple connection, y'all. So y'all, until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed day. Enjoy your Saturday, man. I'm out of here. Peace. Love y'all.